You know, bro.
Okay, let's
go. Bro, what are we here for?
For tried and taste the food.
Yes, we are here for try it and taste it. Welcome to another episode. Oh, can I feel it?
It's bold. Wait, is it?
Oh, give us one hint, please.
So it's a gravy.
This is rice.
So chicken gravy.
Some gravy it is. But what? Wait, this is some Thai green curry. You know what? Let's just find out.
I'm thinking it's a chicken curry for you.
Ruby.
It's
Prawn
crab.
curry.
Oh, prawn.
It's prawns. It's an Indian dish. Oh, I'm gonna love this dish for sure. Bro. I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
I want to eat. Yes.
Prawn cheers.
Prawn cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, guys, this is so good.
The great prawn gravy I had ever.
So this is a Bengali dish. This is Daab Chingri curry.
Coconut.
Daab means tender coconut
Yeah.
in Bengali. Guys, it has this sweet taste to it too. It's really good. 15 or 10.
Just give more than 15. Yeah, thumbs up. It's a big thumbs up.
And if you want to know more about these interesting dishes,
Follow us.